In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design bedroom on Walmart 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to walmart.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top left corner where the main site navigation lives. Click on Departments. A large menu will expand with all the categories. Scroll through that list and find Home, Garden, and Tools, then click it to open the home-focused options. Inside this section, select Design Your Space. This takes you to Walmart's interactive showroom, which is designed to help you build a complete room from curated looks. On the showroom page, find the area labeled Explore by Rooms. Choose Bedroom to see a collection of pre-styled scenes. Browse through the designs and pick a space you want to edit. You'll see options like a DIY-inspired walk-in closet, a Hollywood glam bedroom, a mid-century bedroom, and more. Open the one that best matches your taste or the vibe you're aiming for. When you're ready to customize it, click. Start with this space to load the editable version. Inside the scene, move your cursor over the photo. As you hover, small circles will appear over products in the room. These are hotspots tied to individual items. Click one of the circles to select that product. When you do, a details panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In that panel, look for the section labeled Swap with Other Options. This area shows similar items that fit the style, size, and layout of the scene. Browse the alternatives, and when you find a replacement you prefer, click Swap. The scene will refresh instantly so you can see how the new piece looks in context. If the first alternative isn't quite right, simply repeat the process and try another option until you get the look you want. Continue customizing other elements the same way. Hover over the photo to reveal a circle, click it, review the right-hand panel, choose Swap with Other Options, and confirm swap on your pick. You can do this for beds, nightstands, lamps, rugs, art, and other featured accents. If a hotspot is hard to spot, glide your mouse slowly across surfaces like the headboard, side tables, or floor until the circle becomes visible. Once you've made your changes, take a final look at the whole room to check that colors, finishes, and proportions feel balanced. You can always go back into any hotspot and try a different swap until everything looks cohesive. That's it. You've navigated to design your space, explored bedroom scenes, and customized a design by swapping items directly from the photo. Enjoy creating a bedroom that feels made for you.